Bit of mackerel on there. I've got a 4-ounce gripper on that. I'm going to see if I can hold. And a nice long snood, but I might shorten that. And I've just got a nice big chunk of mackerel and squid just bound onto a 2.0 hook there. And the other rod, I've got me Blue Ocean, both Shakespeare Surf 7,000 wheels. I've got 20-pound Shakespeare Salt line, 60-pound ASIO shock leader, 70-pound rig body, pulley bead, about 3-foot hook length, going all the way down to a 3.0 and a 2.0 circle. That's 3.0, that's the Mustard Viking, and a 2.0 Cox and Wall circle, and a bit of mackerel and squid.